Great prices. Very accommodating when I needed to add an extra 7 days. The prices are very good. Very good location just south of the interstate with many accommodations nearby. Very good P. West InnKey West Inn provides the best in services and amenities to help make guests feel comfortable. Parking is always available, provided by the motel for their driving guests. The motel's on-site laundry service helps you keep your favorite travel outfits clean so you can pack less. Smoking is restricted to the designated smoking areas. Guest rooms are designed to provide an optimal level of comfort with welcoming decor and essential amenities. The motel provides air conditioning in some rooms for the benefit of guests. Some selected rooms have television and cable TV to keep guests entertained. The motel also provides guests with a refrigerator in some rooms. Dining and things to do. Motel's host of recreational offerings ensures you have plenty to do during your stay. The many offerings at Key West Inn ensures you'll have plenty to do during your stay. No vacation is complete without a refreshing jump into the pool. For those who hate to miss a workout, a trip to the motel's fitness facility will keep you fresh and healthy. Around the property there are many attractions to discover within close proximity to Key West Inn. Key West Inn is located only 6.6 kilometers from Pensacola International Airport, allowing you more time to enjoy your vacation before having to catch your flight. Reasons to stay here. This motel's food and dining score higher than 98% of accommodations in the city.